Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see another interesting topic: how to read a JSON file. So to read a JSON file from the local system. So firstly, what we have to do whenever you open Azure Databricks like normal Databricks, by default we have the system and workspace, right? So we created a catalog. If you don't know hierarchy of Databricks, you need to no like meta store at the top, then we have the catalog. Under catalog we have the schema. Whenever you create any catalog, by default and information schema will be created. So I created a new schema L. Under this one I created a volume well. So under this volume we are going to upload a CSV. So just click on this volume. Either you can go here, like directly click on this three dot, and here we have the different option: volume, upload to volume, create a directory, download directory, add to favorite. Right, I want to upload a file, that is CSV, and from this window either you can select a file or folder, or directly you can drag and drop. So our file name is sample1. So I just upload this file, and if file is already present and you done some changes, that one also we can possible. We can override the existing file with the new file. So we don't have already uploaded the file, so this is the new file, so I'm not selecting this option. In your case you can select if you need. So I just click on this upload, and file uploaded successfully. We can see we got the pop-up. Now we created a one notebook, and that notebook we stored in the our workspace, right? So this is catalog window, this is workspace, and this is table of content. It will show all the things. So from this one, what we do, so syntax is very easy. Spark, this is index. We want to read dot json file, and here we need to give the path. Again, when you want to find the path, go to the catalog, schema, then volume folder, and then volume our name we created. We can create a multiple volume, right? And then our file, click on this file, just select, click on this three dot, and copy the volume file path. Just paste here into the double quote or single quote, right? And just this, whatever we have read, we need to store into the one variable. So I create a one variable, that is data frame 1. Now let's see the result. Df1 dot print schema. First we want to see the column name and their data type, and then we want to see the our actual data. Now if I run the code, let's see what output we will get. So we have done some mistake. I just spark dot read dot json, right? Now let's see the result. So print schema is not supported. We again forgot to add t. I just make, so when you write a code, you write manually, right? And then now what happened, we got the corrupt record, right? So our file, if I try to open our file, it will, it have the multiple line. Like, let's see, just I open the file, I just open the file. We have, like, now I open the file. If you see, we have the multiple line, right? So it is not in single line, right? So what we have to do, we have to mention, like, right, let me show you how we can do that. Here we just need to add one option, that is multi-line. Multi-line is equal to true. We have multi-line, so we need to mention that multi-line is true. So then now let's see what output now we will get. We added the option multi-line is equal to true. So now if you see, we got our 3 column: color, fruit, size, and their data type, and then we got actual data frame. Now this is the most common way to read a JSON. Just give the path and add the option multi-line is equal to true. Let's see one more option how we can read a JSON file. So again, Spark is the intense, like spark dot read dot format. In this way, firstly we need to give the format type, file type, then we need to give the option that is multi-line is equal to true. Only thing is that whenever you add an option, syntax is different, like whatever the parameter we are adding, that must be in double quote, right? Syntax is different, and we don't need a equal to sign, we have comma, and then we are going to load this file from the path. So path is the this one, so I just copy the path from above cell and paste into the our load function, right? And whatever we have read the data, we are going to store into the one variable, that variable name is df2, and we also want to see the column name and their data type, right? And we also want to see our data. So now let's run the code and let's see what result we will get. Now if you see, we got our data. So column name is color, fruit, and size. So in JSON, whatever the key and value pair, right, mostly, so that class we consider as a column name. Color is the column name, fruit and size. So there are two ways to read a JSON file: spark.read.json, and give the path and option multi-line is equal to true. Spark.read.format, format is JSON, option is multi-line is equal to true, and from which location we want to load the file, so that path we give. So that's all about the today's video. If you have any question, any doubt, please write in comment, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.